Hello all, this is Sanjit Singh and I'm just bluntly telling to you all, please don't watch this video. If you are going to watch this video, then definitely you are not going to learn anything, because I'm just fed up with you all and you all are just wasting your time here. This is only for my practicing session where I just improve myself and where I just give lots of ideas and lots of shares so that I can just improve my English very well. So I request you that if you really want to watch and you really want to just learn English, then it is better to watch another channel, because there are lots of channels are there by which you can just learn and they have lakhs of subscribers, and this channel is not going to tell you anything. This channel is not going to take any, you are not going to take any kind of benefit and whatever. So it's better that please don't watch this channel and don't watch this thing, because I am not a very high class teacher where we can just tell you lots of things, where we can give you lots of ideas, because you know very well that English is that kind of things where if you really want to speak in English, then we have to just change our mentality and change our mindset. We have to think in English, but here the people who are just coming, they are not doing like that. So please don't watch this video again and again. I'm just telling you, I have just created this channel just for my practicing session, and with the help of this channel I'm able to just speak in front of you all, and this is the good improvement in me, because this channel has been created by me just for myself and for my improvement level. So please, if you really want to do something in English, then please watch another channels, where lots of channels are giving guarantee that after watching these videos you can just learn something. After watching this 10 minutes video, you can just do something. You will be able to speak lots of things. You will be able to do lots of things. But if you really want to do something, then please, I request you that please don't watch this channel, because this channel will not tell you this type of things. This channel is not going to take guarantee that after watching this video you will be able to speak in English, you will be able to be the fluent speaker in English, because this channel is not for those kind of students who always just are benefited and who always just fascinated with those kind of person who are just giving challenge and who are just giving lots of things. But this channel is not going to give you anything. Whenever I just get chance, then I just start this channel and I just upload my video. This is not in a continuous mode. So please, I request you again and again, if you really want to speak in English, please leave this channel and just go on another channel, because this channel is not for those kind of students who are only just thinking that English is the secondary part, and after doing lots of things, then I will go to speak in English, then I will just improve my English, and I will just think like that. Because most of the mentalities are there that they just think that first of all I just clear my all examination, and after that when I will get chance, then I just go to learn English, and I will take a platform where I can just speak in English. But I would like to tell you that this channel is not for those kind of a student, because we are not giving bluntly guarantee to anyone, because English is that thing which you can which can be improved by yourself only. If you are speaking a lot, if you are just doing something, and if you really want to do something, if you are just making your environment in English era, and you have a very good friend circle where friends are talked in English and you are just also talking in English, then you will be able to speak. So please, I request you, this channel is not going to give you any kind of benefit, and you are not going to take any kind of benefit. So it's better that please go with that channel where you can just learn lots of things, where the grammars are taught, where each and everything is taught, where everyday life session is going to happen. But this channel is not doing this type of things. So this is not beneficial for you, and please I request you that please don't watch this channel, because this channel is not for those kind of a student who just plan to do something in English but they are not able to do, who are just planning to dream something, but after some time they just drop and they just come back from that thing, because this is not for that. Because English is that thing where we have to practice a lot, where we have to do something. But here what happens that 90% of students don't do like that, and just because of that they are not able to speak English and they are facing lots of problems. When they go for interview, they become hesitate, they are not able to give answer, because they are facing one of the biggest problem, and the problem is hesitation. And if you have a hesitation, it's better to do something to be in yourself, so that you can just do something. But this channel is not going to give you any kind of benefit, because this channel will not tell you this type of things, because this channel is only for practice session. If you really want to give your introduction, if you really want to just perform well, then I just give the opportunity, and by which you can't speak in English. So it's better to join another platform where lots of big speakers are there, lots of motivational speakers are there, and they are just telling, and they are bluntly just telling that if you are just going to just take benefit, then definitely you just watch this video and you can just do like that. But our channel is not going to give this type of you can say that promise, because this is only one thing, that if you really want to do something, then it is better to do something in your life, and for that you have to just sacrifice each and everything. But most of the students are not able to sacrifice, and they want to enjoy their life in a student era. And if you are just going to enjoy your life with a student era, then definitely you are not going to just learn lots of things, because English needs, or study needs a sacrifice. Whereas I just sacrificed my life, and I just did lots of things for the betterment of myself, and just because of that, just I am able to speak in English. I had a passion, I have a passion, and I will have a passion, and I will definitely do better in my field, and definitely I just able to just teach lots of students. But if you really want to do something, then please I request you that if you really want to do something, then again I am just telling that if you really want to do something, that you have to just sacrifice each and everything. You have to just think about only yourself, so that you can do better in your life. But here 99% of students don't want to do anything, and that's why they are just facing problem, and they just go for interview, then they just face problem. They are not able to complete interview, and they are just they are rejected from that session. Even I have met lots of ladies who are B.Ed, M.Ed, and there are lots of jobless persons are also coming, and they are just taking suggestion from them. They want to speak in English, but they are not able to speak, because they are facing lots of problems, and they have lots of responsibility. And if responsibility comes, then definitely you can't do better. And in that case, responsibility comes first, and this gives you first priority. And just because of that, we want to just study, but still we don't want to, we are not able to study. So it's better that please don't watch this channel, because this channel is for those kind of person, those kind of students who are really want to do something in their life. Otherwise this channel is not going to get any kind of benefit, because what you do, you just watch only 1 hour, 1 minute or 2 minutes, and after that you don't want to go till the end. And just because of that, you don't patience, and it shows that how much patience you have, and how much you are determined towards your English, how much you are not able to speak in English. And there are lots of things are coming, and most of the students just think that I'm the person who are from Hindi background, and how can I improve in English. If you are going with this type of things, then definitely you can't do anything. So it's better that I request you again and again, please don't watch this channel. This is first time where I'm just telling you that please don't watch this channel. Thank you. And if you will have any kind of comment, if you really want to do something, if you really want to say something, then you are welcome. And just please just put your valuable comment in our comment box, so that I can just suggest you how can you just improve your English, what should you do, and what are the major things should be done, so that you can do better. So lastly, I would like to give thanks to you all, that you have, just because of that I am able to speak English, and I just practiced a lot in my life. If you are going to also do like that, then definitely you can just do, otherwise you will be nothing. Thank you.